Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Tea Time. The song is Lose My Mind, the artist is TAMIA, and the choreography is Brooklyn Ed. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in New Orleans, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of the line dance. Please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, presented by Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now and you can book your room. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And I'll see you there. Here we go.
Already, damn, I was just getting used to you by my side. I'm having trouble getting past the part when I have to tell you goodbye. I know you gotta try to do it, I understand that you gotta go. But I don't ever get
out the instructional and also check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now and you can book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.